So we are doing the cutest kid style today. This one is adorable. So you're going to start off by parting the hair down the centre, and then we're just going to pop the hair into little bunches, so ponytails either side, just smoothing out with a smoothing brush there. Then you're going to take hold of one of the ponytails, break it into two, and then I want you to do a normal 3-strand braid. So I kept this braid quite tight, and you're going to go down to about 3/4, depending on how long the hair is. And then you'll get the other side of that ponytail, a little bit of wax spray just to help with flyaways, and then again you're going to do a nice tight braid about 3/4 of the way down, secure with an elastic. Then you're going to fold that over but backwards, get another elastic and just make sure that's nice and tight, and just secure that to the head. Add a little bow, look how cute that is. And then you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. Just wait until you see how cute this is at the end. So just folding them over, securing with an elastic, and then of course adding another bow. Let me know in the comments, guys, if this is something that you would try. I absolutely love it. Look how cute she is. Adorable, just adorable.